Hello, I'm polishing the forks on my old Yamaha. They are coated with clear coat, but I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to use this, I guess it's a nylon abrasive wheel on just a regular drill. And all I do is lock it on, hold it here, and just tilt it a little bit to the side, and you can really get in the nooks and crannies on here. And then I'll hit it with the polishing pad. I hold it this direction because it has a little bit of a brushed finish going around this way. So I hold it back and forth like this. Sometimes I hold it on the side a little bit and it just gives you a different finish. Then I take this 7-inch polisher I got from Harbor Freight. It's very cheap, 50 bucks with the pad it came with it. And I use Diamond Cut Compound 2 from Pep Boys. And just put some on there. Hit the area that I've already brushed. I usually keep going until there's a black buildup that almost looks anodized, and then wipe that off. The black you see is actually the polishing compound mixed with a little bit of aluminum. So you can really get a mirror finish with these. You might want to go over them 3 or 4 times, and then I don't know if I'm going to clear coat them or not. Some people do. But I have some clear coat, so I might. But I'm selling this bike, so I really don't care about long term. Whoever buys it can maintain it. So that's it. Just a simple way to polish your forks.